You know, it was several years ago, a friend of mine in San Diego, California, introduced me to the fish taco. Now, this was years ago, and I had never heard of fish tacos. So I thought he was joking around, and I wasn't quite sure where he was going with this. And I've never really been a big person for fish, but I have become addicted to these. And today, I'm going to show you how to make them very easily. Okay, remember, good food doesn't have to be complicated. I've heard that somewhere before. Okay, we're gonna start. Some of my ingredients include peach mango salsa, plain non-fat Greek yogurt, angel hair coleslaw, or you can just call it shredded cabbage as you like. I also have pico de gallo waiting in the wings. I have corn tortillas, not flour, because flour tortillas will make these suck. Okay, oh, was that my out loud voice? I'm sorry. And also fish. You're gonna say, what kind of fish should we use? You can use any kind of fish you want. If you want to grill mahi-mahi, that's fine. If you want to broil your fish, that's fine too. But for me, I'm gonna get that famous San Diego flavor very, very simply. Hold on and I'll show you. This is not a commercial, and I'm serious. Gorton's, okay? I'm using the crispy battered fish fillets, and I'm gonna stick those in the oven. Right now I've got the oven preheating to the package directions for 425, and I'm gonna stick those in, and when they come out, I'm gonna cut them up so that they fit into the tacos. But let's get started with some preparation while we're waiting for the oven to heat up. I'm gonna open up the peach mango salsa. It's called Garden Fresh. I don't know if you can see that or not. Available in most stores. I'm not getting paid for any of this, so no, this is not a running commercial. It's just to kind of show you what I'm using in case you might want to duplicate it. Okay, I've already showed you I'm using the Gorton's fish batter. Nothing gourmet about that. Just the right taste and the right texture. This small cup, about 5 ounces of Greek plain yogurt, is going to start. You can do all kinds of different ingredients as you see fit. Me, I'm going to use a little bit of the peach mango salsa, like I said. And I'm going to stir that up just a little bit, and then I'm going to blend it to make it finer. Okay? Now, if you want it hot, you can add a little chipotle, you can add some cayenne pepper, you can add pretty much whatever you want. I'm just going to make it real simple and sweet today. And we'll keep it that way. All right, let me take my trusty blender, see if I can splatter myself. There we go. One other thing I am going to add is a little fresh ground black pepper. When you get the tacos finished, you can top them any way you see fit. You can use sour cream, you can use more salsa, you can use pico de gallo, which is what I'm going to use, or you can just squirt them with a little bit of lemon or lime, and you're good to go. Trust me, these are great. What do you serve them with? Well, you could serve them with rice, any kind of a Spanish rice that you get in a box, or you could make a simple cilantro lime rice, or if you want to, you can go real American and use French fries. Doesn't matter. I also like to have a side of refried beans that go along with these. That makes the complete Mexican meal for me. A lot of restaurants have tried making fish tacos on the East Coast. And even in Texas, sorry to say, they don't get it right. The best place and the best fish tacos are either San Diego or Baja California. And there you will find a taste treat. But these are going to be a very close approximation, and they're quick and easy to make. I'm just taking my time so I can have a little bit of camera time, you know what I'm saying? I'm also waiting for my oven. And it looks like it's going to be ready. How about that? No, I didn't plan that. That was just luck. I'll be back as soon as the fish is done to show you how to put this all together and make it delicious. You ever get so excited about making something that you forget some of the ingredients? I have. Okay, how about that? None of us are perfect, least of all me. cilantro, and I'm going to freshly chop this into very small little bits and pieces, and then I'm going to incorporate that into the sauce. The sauce we use, by the way, the sauce that we were making, we use not only for taste, but we use it kind of as a glue, something to hold the cabbage in. And you're asking me, shouldn't I use lettuce? Absolutely not. Do yourself the favor, trust me, and unless you're allergic to it, go with cabbage. It will taste a lot better and the texture will be sensational because you'll get a nice little crunch that you're not going to get with just regular lettuce. And let's face it, this is not Taco Bell. I'm going to incorporate that into my sauce. 24 minutes later, it's time to build. Yes, I cut up some lime slices so we can include those on our plates, and that way we make it look good. My official tortilla warmer, and you definitely want to heat it. The way we've heated it is we've wrapped them in a paper towel, added a little bit of water to the paper towel, not a lot, and we started them at 30 seconds. If they were warm, great. If not, we gave them another 30 seconds, but we do it 30 seconds at a time. We start with the fish. We can cut these in half because they're too big for a taco. Start with the sauce. And again, you can make your variations or your additions. If you do, let me know. Put it in the comments. I'd really love to hear what you've done with the recipe. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Recipes are always just a suggestion, kind of a target to hit. All right, so where we've put the cabbage on, and we've got the fish on top. All right, now, my homemade pico de gallo. If you haven't tried this recipe yet, this one you'll want to try as well. Doesn't that look delicious? Trust me, it is. I'll even take a bite just to prove it to you. Gotta throw a little bit of lime on there. Now I squeeze the lime. Okay, ready? Oh, that's horrible. I've always wondered why nobody ever did that on their own cooking show. Oh, this is delicious. Thank you for joining. Please like, and hopefully you'll feel good enough to go ahead and subscribe. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full here. As always, thanks for joining us.